20 small wood projects that are simple and easy. We've put together 20 different simple home wood projects for you to tackle today. These small wood projects plans might surprise you with how easy to follow they are, even for beginners. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. Small wood projects. 1. Wooden cup holder sofa sleeve. This wood cup holder goes perfectly on your sofa's arm. 2. 5 candle holder. If you're already into woodworking but have yet to polish your skills, this 5 candle holder small DIY project will give some of your leftover chunks of wood a new lease on life. 3. Tealight candle holder. This little candle decoration is perfect for a cozy day. 4. Wooden business card holder. If you are looking for small wooden project ideas, this one might be perfect. Comprising of only 7 steps, this tutorial is easy to understand. 5. Address number plaque and wall planter. This one is for fans of easy small wood projects. An address number display is a luxurious decor that will make your house unique. If you want to save more money, you can even use some used pallets to create this sign. 6. Small arrow yard signs. This project is another one for the exterior of your house, and its construction doesn't require a lot of woodworking tools. It can be used as a legitimate arrow to point to your house or as an added detail to your house decor. You can also hang it from your wooden fence out of pallets. 7. Wooden flash drive. A perfect union of nature and technology. This tutorial details how to do this project with simple tools. 8. Magazine organizer. This one might not be best for fans of small DIY wood projects as it requires a little bit more work. You'll have to mark the wood, make some cuts, and then nail pieces of wood together. 9. Small X-shaped magazine holder. This tutorial will show exactly how easy it is to make this X-shaped magazine holder. It doesn't require that many woodworking supplies. The only required advanced tool is the laser wood saw. 10. Floating wine bottle holder. This wine bottle holder, which is among the harder small woodworking projects on our list, has the ability to draw a lot of compliments from people and is a good conversation starter. 11. Modern wine rack. Apart from being able to store more bottles of wine than a previous contender on our list of small woodwork projects for beginners, this DIY wine rack is also easier to make. 12. Wooden bottle opener. We know just what would go beside your wine rack and wine bottle holders: this wooden bottle opener. This one requires only 15 minutes to make, making it one of the shortest tiny wood projects on our list. 13. Wooden ring. For how little it is, this wooden ring might take you 2 hours at most. 14. Wooden hoop earrings. One type of earrings is particularly trendy nowadays. It's the hoop earrings. This is one of those small wood craft ideas that will only take up 10 minutes of your time and not a lot of materials, but it will result in what could possibly be a part of your daily accessory rotation. 15. Wooden bangles. Take it from Gucci, who's already made a signature out of their wooden bag handles. 16. Small wood bookends. These fancy bookends are a product of a do-it-yourself woodworking project and thrifted ornaments or Christmas scroll saw decor pieces combined. 17. Wooden ladder storage. You've probably seen a wooden ladder being used for indoor decor, and it is an appealing storage solution. As opposed to the ladder's aluminum and fiberglass counterparts, the wooden one can be seen all over the interior design blogs. However, you don't have to buy a new one, you can create it all on your own. 18. Wooden valance. There are certain ways you can improve the look of your home without doing a full makeover. This wooden valance, for instance, can upgrade your bathroom if you put it over your tub or shower area, as this tutorial demonstrates. Essentially, it's just a piece of wood with fancy curves, so it would only take you about 30 minutes to make. 19. Wooden bath caddy. This bath caddy adds to the cozy and rustic vibe. It will go well with the valance and ladder for the bathroom. Compared to the first 2 small woodwork projects ideas on our list, this one requires even less time. 20. State cutout decor. This cutout decor in the shape of your home as it appears on the map is an easily achievable DIY woodworking project and will look just amazing. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.